need to report something on LinkedIn but not sure how, whether it's a fake profile, spam, or inappropriate content, I'll show you the fastest way to do it. Quick, easy, and hassle-free, so let's dive in. First, go to your LinkedIn, and in your homepage, you will see here random posts from random people. For example, this person, I don't like this kind of post, so I will go to the three dots on the upper right corner, click it, and you will see four options here. If you want to change your homepage preferences, means you don't want to see this kind of content the next time you open your homepage, you can click the uninterested option and choose the reason why and click submit. Next, if you want to report the post because you think it contains inappropriate content, then go back to the three dots again and click report post. Click report content for review, and you may choose the reason why. For example, if you think it has threats or violence in the content, you can click that and go to next. And you can go and click submit report. And if you want to block the person or report the person that's posting that kind of content so that you don't have to see their contents again, you can go to the profile, click the three dots option beside message, and you will see here options wherein you can either report or block the person. In the report or block page, you will see an option again whether you want to block this person or report it. So let's try and click block the person. Now you will see this warning sign that you're about to block the person. If you are really sure that you want to block him, you can go on and click the block icon below. Now, if you don't want to block the person, you just want to report this person to the LinkedIn team so that they will be flagged and made aware of what is the content of this person or the profile of this person, you can go and report this person, and you can choose the option, and you can go and click submit report. Okay, now that you know how to block or report the post or person, now let's go on how to report a message. Go to your message and click the message you want to report. For example, if you think this message is inappropriate or it contains inappropriate messages, scams, or phishing links, then you can go and report this person. Again, go to three dots and click report block, and you have the option to either report the message or block the person or report the person who sends the message. Okay, so for example, I want to report this person because this person was hacked. Okay, so you can click this one. You can click the option and click submit report. If you want to report the specific message, then go click report the message and choose the option. Okay, click next, and there you have it, submit report. And if you want to block the person because you don't want to hear from this person anymore, go and block the person. So that's it, and just click block. Okay, and although you can block a specific person on LinkedIn and report messages and postings, unfortunately, you cannot block an entire company. However, there are ways to limit their visibility on your feed, such as unfollowing the company or adjusting your preferences. So let me show you how. Okay, first you go to the company. For example, if you're following to this company, usually you will see their post on your homepage. So if you don't want to see, or if you want to limit their post or their visibility on your homepage, you can go and click unfollow. You can also go to these three dots option wherein you can click report abuse. After that, you will see options here, and you can go and click it, and you can now submit report. And that's it. Now, if you are getting job suggestions from a company that you don't want to hear from, for example, this one, what you can do is go and click or find the three dots again, and you can go change notification preferences, and you can turn off the job alerts. And that's it. You won't ever hear from them. Now you know how to report on LinkedIn quickly and easily. Keeping platform safe starts with us. And if this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tutorials. See you in the next one.